Before you sign up for Pipedrive, stop right there, because most people assume all CRMs are the same. The surprising truth is that Pipedrive is built specifically for sales teams, making it simple yet powerful, but it's not ideal for every business. Pipedrive is a cloud-based CRM focused on pipeline management. You won't believe what happens next when sales teams see how visual pipelines, drag and drop deal tracking, and automated reminders can streamline the sales process and increase conversions. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume Pipedrive handles marketing automation like other CRMs. While it integrates with marketing tools, Pipedrive streamlines in sales management and forecasting, not comprehensive marketing campaigns. Getting started is straightforward. Create an account, import your contacts, and customize your sales pipeline stages. You can track deals, assign tasks, set reminders, and automate repetitive actions like follow-up emails. Pipedrive also offers reporting and analytics to monitor team performance. The upside is simplicity. Its visual pipelines are intuitive, reducing training time. Automation save time, and integrations with email, calendars, and third-party apps improve workflow efficiency. The downside is limited built-in marketing features. Businesses that need full-scale marketing automation, customer service modules, or complex project management may need additional software. Pricing is reasonable, but the cost scales with team size and add-ons. The surprising truth about Pipedrive is that its focused approach makes it extremely effective for sales teams, but it may not replace an all-in-one CRM for larger businesses with multiple departments. If this honest review helped you evaluate Pipedrive, subscribe for more CRM reviews and business software insights.